Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our Google Ads series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch those videos from here. Okay. So in today's lecture, we'll see how to create a complete search ads project for a pet store. So without further ado, let's get started. So we'll be using this landing page for creating ads. I have researched all the necessary informations from this landing page so that I can put them in my ads and my ads get more relevant to this landing page. And as you already know that if my ads get more relevancy, then I will get a good amount of quality score. And if my quality score is good, then my ad ranks will be high and my ad cost will be low. And if my ad ranks well, then I'll be able to get a good amount of ROI by running the ads. So hopefully you have understood all those things. So my product name is pet accessories. Okay. So I have researched all the keywords related to this product. You can see over here, best pet accessories, accessories for animals, accessories for cats, accessories for pet dogs, cat and dog accessories, pet shop near me. Okay. And I have also written all the ad copies like headlines and descriptions so that I can put them in my ads and create ads easily. And I have also written all the necessary ad assets for this landing page. So I'll be using site link assets, call out assets, and structured snippet assets. Okay. I have also set up conversion tracking so that I can measure the campaign performance. So if I want to show you, then I need to go to the tools and settings option. And from the measurement section, I'll click on conversions. Just wait a little bit. Then you can see over here, purchase Google Ads conversion. So I'm going to be using this one as our conversion goals. Okay. So whenever a user come to our website and make a purchase, I want to track this as a conversion. So that's what I did over here. Okay. So conversion tracking has been set up properly. Now let's create a new campaign. So for creating new campaign, I just need to click on this blue button called new campaign. Then I need to choose a campaign objective. So as you already know that this is an e-commerce store. So the main objectives should be to generate sales. Okay. So I'm going to be choosing sales from here. And as the conversion goals, I will keep purchases as conversion goals. So other than purchases, I will remove all the conversion goals. So I'm going to remove add to baskets. I'll remove phone call leads and I'll remove submit lead forms as well. Okay. So I'll click on continue. Then I need to select a campaign type. So we have bunch of campaign types available here. So for the time being, I'll be choosing search. Okay. So you can give your website URL by clicking on this checkbox called website visits. Then I'll name my campaign as box top store pet accessories. Then my campaign objective is sales. Okay. So I'll click on continue and I'm going to click on start new. So we are in the bidding section. So if I click on this, then we'll be able to see 4 bidding strategies are available here initially, like conversions, conversion value, clicks, and impression share. So those two, conversions and conversion value, are smart or automated bidding. So if you want to use automated bidding, you need to have 25 to 30 conversions in your account. So for now, we don't have any. That's why I'm going to be choosing clicks. And whenever we have 25 to 30 conversions, then I'm going to switch my bidding strategy as conversions or conversion value. Okay. You can set a maximum cost per click bid limit by clicking on this checkbox. So I'll keep it as same. Then I'll click on next. Then in the networks option, you can select Google Search Partner and Display Partner as your ads network. Okay, so for me, I'm not gonna choose any of them, so I'm gonna deselect both of them. Then as the location options, I'm gonna enter the location as United States. So I'll target United States from here. Then in the languages option, I will keep it as English. If you want, you can customize your languages from these options. Okay, so if you want, you can change the languages from here. And in the audience segments option, you can segment your audience from this option called audience segments. So for me, I don't basically use audience segments in search ads. If you want, you can use it. Okay, so you need to go to the browse section, then you can segment your audience by detailed demographic, affinity, in market, your data, and combined segments. So I'd suggest you to go through all of these options and customize them as per your requirements. Okay, then I'll go to the more settings option and I'll keep ad rotation as optimize prefer best performing ads, and as start and end dates, I'm not gonna select any end dates from here. And add schedule, I'll not schedule the ads because when a user come to our website, I want to track this as a purchase. Doesn't matter it is night or day. Okay, so I'll not choose or select any ad schedule. So in the campaign URL options, you can set up campaign URL. So I have a detailed video on it. If you haven't watched the video yet, I would suggest you to watch this video and set up campaign URL. Okay, so I'll click on next. Then we are in the ad group section. So I will name the ad group as pet accessories. So I'll rename the ad group as pet accessories, and I'm gonna be using pet accessories phrase because I want to use two ad groups. One is with phrase mass and other one is with exact mass. Okay, so in those two ad groups, I want to target the same keywords. Okay, so other than um, mass types, everything will be same. Okay, so I'm gonna enter all the keywords here. So before entering them, I'll go to Google and write AdWords wrapper for wrapping those keywords. So I'm gonna wrap those keywords. Click on wrap keywords. Then I'll be able to see the phrase mass versions of those keywords available here. So I'm gonna copy them from here and paste it in the ad group section. Perfect. Then we are in the ad section. So the first option we can see over here is final URL. So I need to put a final URL over here. So this is our product page. So I'm gonna use this as final URL. So I'll be using UTM parameter. So I'll write campaign URL builder. Then I'll put the URL over here, and you can give the campaign ID if you want, and I'll keep campaign source as Google, campaign medium as CPC, campaign name, I will name it as pet accessories sales box top store. So I'll copy this URL from here. You can shorten the link if you want. So I'll put this in the final URL option. So you might ask me a question, why am I using campaign URL? So basically I want to track Google Ads data, or I want to see Google Ads data in Google Analytics 4 and want to see which campaign is getting sales, which campaign is performing well. So on the basis of performance, I can scale the campaign for further, so that's why I am using campaign URL builder or UTM tracking. So as the display path, I'm gonna mention my product name over here, like pet accessories. So I'll copy pet from here and put it in the display path 1, and as the display path 2, I'm gonna be using accessories. Okay, perfect. Then I need to write the ads. Okay, so I would suggest you to use all the headlines and descriptions for writing ads, because if you use 15 headlines and 4 descriptions, then Google will optimize your ads perfectly. Okay, so I have already written all the headlines and descriptions, so I'll be using them. So the first headline, I'm going to be using Box Top Store. So this is our brand name. So I'm going to be using this one as first headline, and as second headline, I'll use looking for pet accessories. So this is what our prospect needs, you can mention it in your headline. Then buy now, this is one of the call to actions of our products. Okay, then number one pet shop in USA. Next one, I'm gonna be using price starts from $12. So if I try to show you, I'll go to my site or landing page. Then you can see over here our price starts from $12. So this is the lowest amount. Okay, that's what I mentioned in my ad copies. Okay, shop by sizes. So we have different sizes. If you go to our page, then you can see over here shop by sizes, shop by colors. Okay, so that's why I told you to research the landing page properly, so that you can put them in your ads and your ads get more relevant. Available in different colors. So this will be used as one of our headlines. Best pet accessories. So this is one of the keywords I'm mentioning in my headlines. Top accessories for animals. So this is also one of our keywords. Next one, I'm going to be mentioning cat and dog accessories. So this is another keyword I'm going to entering in the headline. Pet shop near me. So one of the keywords I'm using in the headline. 30-day free returns. So this is one of the benefits of our services. 100% purchase protection. This is also one of the benefits I'm mentioning over here. Free shipping for order over $100. Okay, and the last headline, I'm gonna be using highest grade security. So we are giving highest grade security, or you can use worldwide free delivery. Okay, and I'll be using 4 descriptions as well. So I have already written all of them. I just need to use them. So this will be used as first description, and I'm gonna use this one as second description. The third description, I'm gonna be using this one. So I'll copy it from here and paste it over here. And the last description, I'm gonna be using this one, free shipping for orders over 100. Grab the opportunity now. So this is our last description. So perfect. So you can see my ad strength is excellent. So if I go to the preview section, then how it will look like. Shop by sizes, number one pet shop. So all of them will be rotating, and Google will rotate them and try to give you the best performance. So I'll create some site link assets. So for creating new site links, I just need to scroll down a little bit and click on new site links. Then I have also already written the site link assets. So the first site link text, I'm going to be using best selling. And as description line 1, I will use shop from our, and description line 2, I'm going to be using best selling products. So the complete sentence would be shop from our best selling products. So I'm going to mention our best selling landing page URL in the site link final URL, site link 1 final URL. Okay, perfect. And as the site link 2 text, I'm going to use collections. So we have different of collections. So I'm going to mention it over here. And as the description line 1, I'll use get pet accessories. And the description line 2, I'll be using at an affordable price. Okay. So the complete sentence would be get pet accessories at an affordable price. And as the final URL, I'm going to be mentioning our collection page URL. So I'll copy it from here and paste it over here. So for the time being, I'll be using two site link assets. So you can see how they look like best selling collection. So this is for the mobile version. And if I click on this, we can see the desktop version of those site links are available here. Okay, so I'm going to click on save. And I'll click on apply. Then I'll create some callout assets. Okay, so I have already written all the callout assets for this landing page. So I'm going to use them. So I'll click on new callouts. Then as the first callout text, I'll mention 30 days free returns. And as the second callout text, I'll mention 100% purchase protection. And I'll be using free callout assets. So the last one, I'm going to be using highest grade security. So if you want, you can create multiple site links. Okay, sorry, multiple callouts. So for now, I'll be using those three. So how they will look like, you can see over here. So I'll click on save. And I'm going to click on apply. And I'll click on more asset types because I want to create some structure snippet assets. So I'll click on structure snippets. For creating new structure snippet, I'll click on new structure snippets. Then as the header language, I'll keep it as English and select header type. I will select as what is your services, dog accessories, cat accessories, animal accessories. So you can use types or service catalogs. So I'm going to be using types. Okay. So I'll give type 1 as dog accessories. And the next one, I'm going to be using cat accessories. And as the last structure snippet, I'm going to be using animal accessories. Okay. So if you want, you can create more structure snippet by clicking on this add value button. Okay. So you can see over here how they will look like. So this is for the mobile version. And if I click on this, so this is for the desktop version. So I'll click on save. And I'm going to click on apply. So I'll click on done. Then I'll click on next. And as the daily budget, I'll keep the daily budget as $30. Okay. And I'll click on next. Then you can see over here, Google is checking whether my campaign has some errors or not. So if everything is fine, then they will give us to publish the campaign. Okay. So I have one issue This is billing because I didn't set up billing properly. That's why it is showing up. So if you have set up billing, so this sort of issues will not occur. Okay. So you can review your campaign from here. Like if you want to change anything, you can change it from here. So you can overview the campaign as campaign name, campaign type, objective, goals, bidding, networks, locations, languages, audiences, keywords, ads, and budget. So if everything is okay, then you can click on this button called publish campaign. So this is showing up because I didn't set up billing. I have already told you. So ignore it. I'll click on published. So it is publishing a new campaign. You can see over here, Google is reviewing it, and if everything is good, then within 1 or 2 days, it will be live. Okay. Then I'll go to the ads section because I want to create different versions of ads. I want to test different ads to get a winner. So for now, I'll be creating 2 ads, and I want to test them for next 30 days. Okay. So within 30 days, I'll definitely get a winner, and I'll pause the low performing ads and create another ads to beat the winner. So this would be a continual process. So for creating new ads, I will select this existing ad and I'll go to the edit section. I'll click on copy, and for pasting, I just need to go to the edit section again and I'll click on paste. Okay. Then I need to choose our campaign. So this one, box top store paid accessory sales. Then I need to choose the ad group as well. Then I'm gonna click on done. Then you can enable those 2 options and I'll click on paste. Okay. So it is copying a new ads. It might take some times. Please have some patience. It will be done momentarily. Okay. So in the new ads, what I will basically do, I'll pin some headlines and descriptions to see which versions of our ads are performing well. And on the basis of performance, I'll create new ads and I'll pause the low performing ads. Okay. So it is done. So I'll enable these ads first and I'll click on this pencil button for editing. Just wait a little bit. So other than pinning headlines and descriptions, I'll not make any changes in these ads. So this is our brand name. I want to keep this as position number 1. So I'm gonna position it at number 1, and I want to position all the keywords at number 2 and all the CTS, USPs, benefits, features at the position number 3. Okay. So looking for paid accessories, I want to keep this at position number 2. Buy now CTA at position number 3. Number 1 paid shop in the USA. Position number 2. Price start from $12. Position number 3. Shop by sizes. Position number 3. Available in different color. Position number 3. Best paid accessories. Position number 2. Top accessories for animals. Position number 2, cat and dog accessories. Position number 2, pet shop near me. Position number 2, 30-day returns. Position number 3, 100% purchase protection. Position number 3, free shipping for order over 100. Position number 3, highest grade security. Position number 3. Okay, and I want to pin this one as position number 1, this description as position number 2, this description as position number 1, and I want to position it as number 2 position. So if I go to the preview section, then you will be able to see our brand name is showing at position number 1 because I just pinned it at the position number 1, and number 2 and number 3 headlines are rotating. So yeah. So other than pinning all the headlines and description, I will not change any site link or any other assets. So I'll click on save ad. Then we can see 2 ads are running. So let's run them for next 30 days and let's get a winner. Okay. Then I'll go to the ad group section. As I already told you, I want to create 2 ad groups. One is with phrase mass and other one is with exact mass. Okay. So for creating new ad group, I just need to copy this existing one. So I am gonna select it and go to the edit section and I'll click on copy, and for pasting, I'll go to the edit section again and click on paste. So I need to choose my campaign. It is already selected and I will click on done. Then I will enable this check mark and click on paste. So it is copying a new ad group. It might take some time. So please have some patience. It will be done momentarily. You can see over here is still updating. This can take a few minutes. So it is finished. So I'll enable this ad group and name it as pet accessories exact. So I'll click on save and I'll go to this ad group. The first thing I need to do is to change all the mesh types of those keywords, because currently they are in the phrase mesh version. So this is our exact mesh ad group. I just need to change them in exact mesh. So I'll select all the keywords from here and go to the edit section. And if I scroll down a little bit, then I'll see an option called change mesh types. So I'll click on change all mesh types. Then we'll see 3 versions of mesh types available here, like broad mesh, exact mesh, and phrase mesh. So for now, I'll be choosing exact mesh and I'll click on apply. So within a short time, you will see all the mesh types will be in exact mesh. Okay. So you can see over here. And if I go to the ads section, then we'll be able to see 2 ads are running. Okay. So you can see over here. So if I go to the campaign section and go to the ad group section, then we'll be able to see we are running 2 ad groups currently. And if I go to the ads and assets section and select ads, then we'll be able to see we're running 4 ads right now currently. So 2 for exact mesh ad group and 2 for phrase mesh ad groups. Okay. So let's run them for next 30 days and let's see which one performs well. And on the basis of performance, we'll create new ads and post the low performing ads. Okay. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have a clear understanding on how we can create a complete search ad project for a pet store. So if you like our video, you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. Yeah, you have a good day. Bye bye.